Google just did something that could change the game for digital creators everywhere. They have launched Imagen 3, their most advanced AI image generator yet, and it's now available to the public. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. Imagen 3 can take any text you type and turn it into a stunning, high-resolution image in seconds, whether it's a lifelike portrait, a detailed landscape, or even a whimsical cartoon. In this video, we'll dive into the stats and facts behind Imagen 3, explore how it sets itself apart from other AI tools, and show you how it could revolutionize your creative projects. Stick around to see why this could be a major turning point for artists, marketers, educators, and more. Key features and capabilities of Imagen 3. Let's kick things off by diving into what makes Imagen 3 so special. Imagine typing a simple prompt like, "A dragon curled up next to its pet sheep in a peaceful zoo," and receiving a vivid, photorealistic image that could be straight out of a movie scene. That's the magic of Imagen 3. This AI is designed to generate a broad range of visual styles, whether you're looking for a realistic landscape, a richly textured oil painting, or even a playful claymation-style scene. What sets Imagen 3 apart from previous models is its ability to understand natural language prompts effortlessly. Forget about needing to know complex coding or intricate art design principles. Imagen 3 is user-friendly and intuitive. You can ask for a close-up of a flower in a morning mist with dewdrops glistening, and the tool will capture every detail, right down to the tiny droplets on the petals. This simplicity lowers the barrier to entry, making advanced image creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skill level. The image quality is another standout feature. Imagen 3 produces images with richer lighting and fewer artifacts, those pesky visual glitches that can sometimes ruin an otherwise perfect picture. For example, it can render the intricate textures of a lion's mane or the reflective surface of a calm ocean with stunning precision. The result is a tool that balances creative freedom with realistic output, making it a top choice for users who need high-quality visuals quickly and easily. One of the most remarkable aspects of Imagen 3 is how well it handles detailed and complex prompts. Unlike some other image generators that might stumble over long or intricate descriptions, Imagen 3 thrives on complexity. You could request a scene of a busy market square at dusk with colorful stalls and people in traditional attire, and it will deliver a vibrant, richly detailed image that perfectly captures your vision. This capability is particularly useful for professionals who need to convey specific ideas or moods in their visual content. How to access and use Imagen 3. Now, you're probably wondering how you can start using Imagen 3. The good news is that it's incredibly easy to access. If you're in the US, you can try Imagen 3 for free through Google's AI Test Kitchen. This platform allows you to experiment with the tool without any cost, unlike some competitors that require subscriptions or payments. For those with a Pixel 9, Imagen 3 is integrated into the Pixel Studio app, providing a seamless experience directly on your device. And don't worry if you're not in the US. Google is planning a global rollout soon, making Imagen 3 available across all Gemini apps worldwide. As Google continues to expand Imagen 3's reach, we can expect more features and perhaps some subscription options for those who want to push the tool's capabilities further. This could include options for higher resolution images, faster processing times, or exclusive styles and templates. But for now, the free access allows anyone to experience the power of Imagen 3 and its potential to revolutionize digital art and design. Real-world applications and user benefits. Who stands to benefit the most from Imagen 3? The answer is just about everyone. For artists and digital creators, Imagen 3 opens up new possibilities for generating stunning visuals without needing extensive resources or a large team. You could create an entire series of artworks in various styles with just a few keystrokes. This tool isn't just about making pretty pictures, it's about unlocking creativity without limits. For marketers, Imagen 3 could be a game changer. In the highly competitive world of digital marketing, having unique and compelling visuals can set a brand apart. With Imagen 3, marketers can quickly generate custom images that perfectly align with their campaign goals, whether it's for social media, email marketing, or even large-scale advertising. The ability to create high-quality, tailored visuals on demand could significantly cut down on production times and costs. Educators and researchers can also leverage Imagen 3 to their advantage. Visual aids are incredibly powerful in making complex concepts more understandable. And with Imagen 3, teachers can create custom illustrations to enhance their lessons. Researchers can visualize data or conceptualize scenarios that help convey their findings more effectively. The tool's versatility ensures that it has applications far beyond traditional artistic uses, supporting a wide range of academic and professional endeavors. But Imagen 3 isn't just for professionals. Its impact extends to personal projects as well. Imagine designing a one-of-a-kind birthday card, crafting a unique poster for your home, or generating images for your personal blog. Imagen 3 democratizes creativity, allowing anyone to become an artist or designer without needing traditional skills or tools. It breaks down barriers, making high-quality image creation accessible to all. Community projects could also benefit greatly from Imagen 3. Picture local artists collaborating on a digital mural, or students using the tool to bring a history lesson to life with vivid imagery. The educational and cultural possibilities are immense, as Imagen 3 fosters not just individual creativity, but also collaborative efforts that can enrich communities. Ethical considerations and safeguards. Of course, with any powerful tool comes the need for responsible use. Google has implemented several safeguards to ensure Imagen 3 is used ethically. For example, the tool is designed to avoid generating photorealistic images of identifiable individuals or creating harmful content, such as violent or sexually explicit imagery. These restrictions are crucial in preventing misuse, particularly in areas where AI technology has previously raised concerns, like deepfakes or misinformation. Google has also been transparent about its efforts to reduce bias and minimize harmful outputs through extensive filtering and data labeling. This ethical focus is essential as AI tools become more advanced and widely available. While Imagen 3 is incredibly versatile, it's built with checks and balances to ensure it promotes creativity without compromising ethical standards. However, discussions around AI ethics are far from over. Even with safeguards in place, there are concerns about unintended uses, such as creating deceptive or misleading content. This remains a complex issue, but Google's proactive stance on setting boundaries reflects a commitment to addressing these challenges thoughtfully. Privacy and data security are also important considerations. With AI models like Imagen 3, questions about data use and storage are inevitable. Google states that it uses comprehensive filtering and data labeling to ensure ethical outputs, but users should still be mindful of potential risks and the importance of using the tool responsibly. Comparisons with competitors. So, how does Imagen 3 stack up against other popular image generators like DALL-E or Midjourney? While each tool has unique strengths, Imagen 3 distinguishes itself through its exceptional detail and quality. Where some models may falter with specific textures or lighting, Imagen 3 excels, producing images that are both realistic and artistically compelling. This balance makes it especially attractive for users seeking creative flexibility and professional-grade output. Another significant advantage of Imagen 3 is its accessibility. Unlike many competitors that require technical expertise or subscriptions, Imagen 3 is designed to be user-friendly for all, regardless of experience. This inclusivity means that whether you're a professional graphic designer or a hobbyist creating a birthday card, you can achieve impressive results without needing to navigate a steep learning curve. Moreover, the community aspect of Imagen 3 is a standout feature. Google has encouraged a collaborative approach, inviting user feedback and continuously updating the tool based on community needs. This ongoing dialogue ensures that Imagen 3 remains relevant and user-focused, setting it apart from competitors that may not prioritize user engagement as strongly. Cost is another consideration. While many advanced image generators come with a price tag, Google has made Imagen 3 available for free in its initial phase, making it accessible to a wider audience. This democratization of access not only encourages more people to experiment with AI technology, but also fosters a broader range of creative expressions and innovations. Future developments and potential upgrades. What's next for Imagen 3? Google is already looking ahead to future updates that promise even more advanced features. One such feature is in-painting, which would allow users to edit specific parts of an image seamlessly. Imagine creating an image and then adjusting the background, adding new elements, or refining details, all within the same tool. This level of control could redefine digital art and design, making it even more intuitive and versatile. Additionally, Google plans to expand language support for Imagen 3, enabling users around the world to interact with the tool in their native languages. This move towards greater inclusivity will make advanced AI tools more accessible, regardless of language barriers, further broadening the scope of who can use and benefit from Imagen 3. Google is also expected to integrate more AI advancements into Imagen 3, drawing on its extensive experience with other AI models like DeepMind and Bard. These updates could lead to even more sophisticated tools that blend human creativity with machine intelligence, opening up new frontiers in digital expression. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.